Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix PS5 controllers disconnections. So it's very simple. I'm going to provide some tips, okay, more than 2 or 3 tips I'm going to provide, you can fix in that. If your PS5 controller is frequently disconnecting, first you need to check the charge, how much charge it has. So here you can check, okay, whether you have full charge or not. See, you have complete charge, there is a 3 point, so still I have charge, but still if it is disconnecting, right, second thing you can reset the controller. So first thing you need to check the charge, okay, if it is not charged you can charge with the cable, you can charge with the cable. My second tip is to reset the controller. So on the back side, right, you can see the small tiny hole. So here you need to have the pin and insert it, okay, you need to press it for 5 seconds, so automatically it will be restarting. So before resetting, right, we need to shut it down. So I'm going to shut down the PlayStation console, turn it off. Once it turned off, right, you can use the paper clip or the phone pin to insert, okay, the small tiny hole. To reset you need to press and hold for 5 seconds, okay, you need to insert, press and hold for 5 seconds. You need to turn off your PS5 console, press and hold for 5 seconds, okay. Now I'm going to use a cable, we need to insert it and then start your PS5 console by pressing this PS button. Now your controller should work fine. If it is still not working, right, go to third options. You can simply restart your PS5 console and turn it on. That time itself it should be fixing automatically. Sometimes a simple console restart can resolve connectivity issues, okay. You need to press and hold the power button if the frequent disconnections on your controller. So what you need to do is, on your PS5 console, this power button, right, you need to press and hold until it turns off. You need to press and hold, okay, you need to press and hold until it turns off. Once out, that's it, see, it's turning off. So simple restart. If you're not able to use your controller, you can use in this method. So now I'm going to again restart it. So inserting the wire, USB Type C wire, and restarting it. This time it should be working fine. So this time it should be working. If still it doesn't work, what you need to do is you can update the firmware as well. Go to settings, you need to connect with the internet and then go to system and go to system software. So update your software. You have the latest version of the system software. I am going to update my controller as well. For that we need to go to accessories. So go to accessories, update the controller. You need to go to controller general, okay, and here I am going to verify DualSense wireless controller device software. This is also latest one, so updated. This time definitely it should be working, okay. If still doesn't work, right, there may be wireless device you might be using, okay, that can interfere with your controller signals, okay. Try to keep your PS5 and controller away from other wireless devices, okay. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching your PS5 Wi-Fi and to 5G instead of 2.4 gigahertz, okay. As 2.4 gigahertz can often interfere with your Bluetooth, you might be need to adjust within your router settings. Also make sure your PS5 is in open area with a clear line of sight to the controller. Also ensure you are not too far from your PS5 because the Bluetooth range can be affected by interference and obstacles. Also check your PS5 console is getting overheated, because some users have reported that an overheating PS5 can cause Bluetooth issues and controller. If your PS5 console is getting heated, just turn off, okay, your console and try after some time. Also I'm going to show that your internet connections, you can change it from 2.4 gigahertz to 5G. Go to network, change this network connections and try. So I have 5G, so I'm using 5G. So also 2G I have. If you connect it to 2G, just change it and try. The next one is, I am going to show that if still the disconnection is there, right, go to accessories, go to controller general and go to communication method. So here you can choose whether the controller communicates with your PS5 using Bluetooth or the USB cable. So I'm going to tap X. So you can choose use USB cable, okay, because this will eliminate wireless interference, okay. Also you can try different USB type C wires, okay, that also you can try. Sometimes, right, your USB type C wire also might be faulty, so you can try with the different wires. So now I'm going to explain the final method. So I'm going to do factory reset of my controller, okay, completely, okay. First what you need to do is, first you need to turn off your controller, okay. Also you can turn off your PS5. For tutorial purpose, let it be the PS5 console is turned on. To turn it off, right, what you need to do is you need to press and hold this PS button for some time. Automatically the light will go off, which means it's turned off. So I'm going to press and hold this PS button for some time, for some seconds. Automatically it should be turned off. It's turned off. So wireless controller also disconnected. This is the only way, okay, to do factory reset of your controller. This is the last method. So use this paper clip or pin to insert in the tiny hole, because inside there is a reset button. You need to press and hold for some seconds, okay, then you can repair. So I'm going to press and hold for some time. So once reset is done, right, connect it USB type C and press this PS button. This time it should be working perfectly. There should not be any frequent disconnections. If none of the steps work, your controller might be defective, okay. So in rare cases, Bluetooth Wi-Fi module in your PS5 console itself might be faulty. So if still doesn't work, you need to contact PlayStation customer support, okay, or any other local retailer, those who are doing services. That's it, friends. This is the way you can fix frequent disconnections in your PS5 console. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my uniforms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.